Hello everyone, how are you doing? So today we're going to be doing a magenta, turquoise and gold bauble. This is going to be the last bauble. I love these colors, so I decided I was going to finish on something that the colors I really love. Before I get started, I just want to say thank you so much for visiting my channel, and for those who've been sort of following me in the baubles, and thank you so much for your support and for your lovely comments. It's actually been a lot of fun. I've really enjoyed it. You know, if you're new to my channel, one, thank you for visiting me. Two, please definitely subscribe, comment, and then that way you'll get notified when I put more content up. So let's get started. Look how cool that cup looks. Hey, isn't that amazing? It just looks, those colors just, oh, they look so good. Right, and I'm going to do the same again. I'm going to do that kind of loose tree ring paw idea. Wow, look at that. Gosh, how cool is this color combination? Wow. I am loving this. As the last bauble, perfect one to end on. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, it is so beautiful. Look how cool that is. And if I come around the sides here, it is just so lovely. Oh, it's really nice. You've got the big opening up of the magenta there. It's funny, they call it magenta in the Monte Mart range, but to me it's almost like a purple. Anyway, but it just looks so lovely. And then the aqua with the gold overlaying it there. Gosh, it looks, but I've noticed my bauble squonk. Don't be squonk, bauble. Come on. There we go, that's better. And now I really want to try and stop that paint from traveling too much, because I don't want to lose any of this pattern. It is so nice. So definitely very happy with the results of this one. I love that side of it. I like it all. So cool. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and for your likes, your comments, your shares, everything. I so appreciate it. And it's been lots of fun to do. So this is the final bauble, and I tell you, what a bauble to end on. I just think it's so nice. Look at that. It's just, I love the colors combination, you know, the magenta, the aqua, the gold. Oh, they've just worked so nicely together. Look at all the way around the bauble, you know, and even around the sides. This is definitely a color combination that gets a big thumbs up from me. So yeah, I really like this one. It's a lovely bauble. So thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And for those who've been watching all the way, you know, I really appreciate your comments and how excited you've got about the baubles, you know, as excited as I have. It's been a fun little journey and I've really enjoyed it. So thank you so much for being with me. And, you know, if you're new to my channel, please definitely go ahead and subscribe. And I hope you have a wonderful Christmas.